If you are facing this issue on your WhatsApp that says you need the official WhatsApp to use this account, using an app other than the official WhatsApp has privacy and security risk. Use WhatsApp to register or log back in. And it says open WhatsApp or learn more. Guys, this video I'm going to be telling you the step-by-step process on how you can solve this error message on your WhatsApp. Okay, so you don't need to fret anymore because this will be your last video you're going to watch when you want to solve this problem. And I'm sure that at the end of this video, you're going to let me know in the comment section that it's definitely worked for you. Because yes, this method I'm about to tell you right now has been working for people. Yes. And also I'm sure since it worked for other people, it is going to work for you. So all you need to do is to watch this video to the very end and also follow this step-by-step process, because if you don't follow all these steps, do not come to the comment section and start telling me that it did not work for you. Ensure you follow all these steps one after the other so that this will work for you definitely. Okay, like I said, if you don't follow all these steps, it will not work for you. All right, so let's jump right in to all this process. If you love this information about to get, guys, can you give me a thumbs up? Because on my channel here, I'm creating videos that help you solve your social media problem. Okay, so that is the video you guys can do for me. Just give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to also subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification icon for more videos like this. Okay, now if you're facing this issue, you need the official WhatsApp to use this account. There are 3 steps I'm going to be showing you, and if you follow this process, it's definitely going to work for you and your WhatsApp will start working immediately. So, and the very first thing you need to do is to go to your Play Store or your App Store. So if you're an iPhone user, you go to your App Store. If you're an Android user, you go to your Play Store. All right, so once you're here, you go search on WhatsApp. So now, if you're wondering why you are going to WhatsApp, the reason is if there's an update on the WhatsApp, that update can solve the problem for you. However, just like I see over here, my WhatsApp is in the latest version, so I don't need to update it. Okay, but if you need an update, you need to update it, then check if it's working. If it's working, then good and fine for you. Let me know in the comment section. And if after updating it is not working, there's no problem. All you need to do is to go back, then I'll go to your settings. Go to your settings. Okay. Once you're in your settings, you should go to apps, then manage apps. Then now I have to look for WhatsApp. So let you scroll down to WhatsApp. Right, so as you can see, this is WhatsApp here. And now, once I'm here, what you need to do is to click on clear data. All right, so the very first thing you're going to do is to clear the cache on your WhatsApp. Clear the cache on your WhatsApp. After clearing the cache, you now go back to clear all data. So you need to clear both the cache and clear all data. So once you've done that, once you clear the cache and clear the data on your WhatsApp, just quickly go back to go and check if it is working for you. Then if it's not yet working, then you now follow this last method which is going to work for you. Then just go to your browser, type WhatsApp, web WhatsApp, sorry, web.whatsapp.com. Search on it. So once you're here, you click on this 3 over here, then you go to help center. So now you scroll down and go to contact us. So which WhatsApp are you using? Are you using the normal WhatsApp, which is WhatsApp Messenger support, or are you using the business WhatsApp? So if you're using the normal WhatsApp, you click on the contact us over here for this normal WhatsApp. But if you're using the business WhatsApp, you go over here. So right now I'm using normal WhatsApp, so I have to click on the contact us over here. And now once I'm here, this is an important part you need to really take note of, so that you have to get that your WhatsApp issue resolved. And guys, if you got to this part of this video, can you give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel so that when I create more videos like this, you will be the first to get notified. Okay, so once you've done that, let's proceed. Now you need to add your phone number, that affected phone number. Yes, not just your random phone number, the affected WhatsApp phone number you're using. So you need to add it, and do not forget your country code. I'm a Nigerian, so that's why it's showing Nigeria. However, whatever country you're in is still going to work for you regardless. Okay, all the countries that uses WhatsApp are over here. So you just click on it, then you put in your number. Now right here, you're going to put in your email address. Why? Because you are contacting WhatsApp support. You are asking them to help you out. You are contacting them, so they're going to give you a response after you message them. So this is why you need to add your email address, and you have to add it 2 times. All right. So now, which phone do you use for WhatsApp? How do you use WhatsApp? Is it Android phone, an iPhone, your web and desktop, iOS, or others? So currently, I'm using an Android phone to handle my WhatsApp. So that's why it's an Android. But if you're using an iPhone, click on iPhone menu and the rest. Okay. Now, this part of this please enter message below is where you really need to take note of, because here I'm going to be explaining what is wrong with your WhatsApp, what is really wrong with your WhatsApp, so that they can quickly help you, resolve it. All right. So now let me quickly go back to see the message that's it's showing over here. It says you need the official WhatsApp to use this account. Then I'm going to type hello, good evening. Don't worry, all you need to do is just to write in the same message I'm typing for them. Okay, just we can write it verbatim and then it's still going to help you out in resolving your issue. Okay, hello, good day. I'm trying to log in to my WhatsApp and I keep getting this message that says you need the official WhatsApp to use this account. Can you kindly help me link into it? Here is the affected number. All right, now so you need to re-input the affected number. Remember that you put in the affected number here, so you need to also add it right here again so that they can help you resolve the issue quickly. Just type in your number plus 23490 and just type in the number, you understand, and click on next step. You understand? Click on next step, and once you click on this next step, it's going to send message to WhatsApp help center, and from 24 to 48 hours they're going to reply your mail automatically. I need to note that the WhatsApp issue you're facing has been resolved automatically. Okay, so this is how you can resolve this. You need the official WhatsApp to use this account. Let me know in the comment section if this method worked for you, and if it did, don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you can get more tips like this. So guys, if you follow through all these steps, like I said, within 24 to 48 hours, this issue would have gone out from your WhatsApp. And I want you guys to let me know in the comment section if it worked for you and how many hours it took for WhatsApp to release this your account. Let me know in the comment section, guys, how many hours it took the WhatsApp team to release your WhatsApp. So do not forget, guys, to give this video a thumbs up if you're not done that earlier on this video, and not to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video as we discover the smart online tips.